ETF. If you guys are checking the flows of ETFs, you can check it in coin market cap as well, where you can check. There's a section in coin market cap which talks about the ETF. It is called the ETF tracker. If you noticed, Bitcoin has had outflow this week, right, of around for 25 million odd, if I'm not wrong, of outflows, 22 million odd of net outflows that has happened. But if you notice Ethereum inflow, this week Ethereum has gotten a total net inflow of around $25 million. When the ecosystem was moving sideways, nothing much was happening. It was good to notice that Ethereum ETF was slowly gaining a lot of investment. Now, what does that mean? Institutional investments are getting into Ethereum. They're moving away from Bitcoin and they're entering into Ethereum, which is ideally what we would expect to happen when altcoin is supposed to begin. Now, does it mean that the altcoin has begun? Maybe not yet, guys, because you also look at the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is still above 60%. It is around 63%, if I'm not wrong, and it is not showing great indicators of going below 60,000. Now, there was, I think, during the time of February and March, it went below 60%, and it was somewhere in 55-57% range. But again, it has gone above 60%. Now, what we are seeing is the institutional flow of money that has gone into Ethereum. It has moved beyond Bitcoin. Now we should also start noticing a lot of retail action in the months going forward is expectation. If now that works out, you will be seeing slowly funds moving away from Bitcoin into the other tokens. Now that is the expectation. Now, if there are not many factors globally which are going to globally affect the ecosystem. Now it looks like crypto per se is in a set environment. I'm expecting not large events which are going to be bad within the crypto ecosystem that's going to happen, because we've just come out of a very long bear market. Not just come out of, we had a very long bear market. This bull market has been very, very interesting. So a lot of weekends would have already been dead or gotten corrected with their scenarios during the bear market. And what I'm expecting to see during this time is not much incidences that will happen in the crypto market, which will affect the prices, but rather the global economic scenarios are the one which are affecting crypto prices, like the tariff wars that are happening. So if China and US continue to have at least 3 to 4 months of solid, less volatile relationship, we could be seeing Bitcoin prices soaring up. Now, with Bitcoin prices soaring up, you will always have altcoins following the way.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.